Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 2550 Cheshire. They had home inspection done on this. They're doing a sale in the house. They cambered in from the stack down here in the basement. They found some roots in the cast iron. Apparently, every so many years, this lady has the roots cut back and has the line serviced by having them cable it out, cutting them roots out. So they said they found some roots. We're going to go in here and see where these roots are, and we're going to try and remove them, and then we'll come back and inspect the line again. So I'm going to run down here and see what we find. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got our camera pushed out here to 70, almost 78 feet, 77.9. Here we are at MSD's line. Right here is where their line ties to the MSD. We're going to go ahead and pull it back, show you what this line looks like. I did see multiple spots with roots in here. Right here we got a bunch of roots growing in. They had me a hard time, give me a hard time passing it, but I was able to pass through it. I'm going to go ahead and we'll auger this line out and see if I can't cut them roots out. Keep pulling back and show you the rest of this line. Got some roots there. Yeah. About 56, almost 57 feet. We got another pretty heavy ball of roots here at 53 or 51 feet. So here we are to transition. So here comes a 4-inch cast and 6-inch clay pipe, as you see at the transition here. They got a bunch of roots growing in there too also. So we're going to go ahead and try and auger those out also. And see if we can't get these roots cut out. They do not have a yard clean out outside, so I'm unable to run a big cutter. I'm only going to be able to run such a 3-inch stack in here, so probably get 2.5-inch cutter, maybe a pigtail with a bend on it. It acts like it's a bigger cutter. And see if I can't remove them roots. So yeah, here we are to stack. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and augered this line out a couple times. Like I said, we We got 3-inch stack here in the basement, which I'm only allowed to run, like I got a pigtail, it's got a big bend on the end of my cable, so it's like I'm running a bigger cutter. Because here we are, got a 6-inch clay pipe here at the main. And there was roots here around 56 feet and some roots around the transition. So I went through there with my auger, I cabled it out real good, cut it back as best I could. I'm going to show you the best, show you what it looks like. Here we are at the main, 78 feet. Right here earlier, we had a bunch of roots growing in. As you see, I've removed those roots pretty good. I've cut them out best I could. Like I said, I was running pigtails, a big bend on the end of my cable I cut off. So it's like I'm running a bigger cutter through there when I'm only allowed a small cutter through the stack. So there was one spot of roots there, and there's another one coming up here. I went back and forth on that a few times. I'm not able to get them all out, but it is open, it is draining. We're able to push through it. Like I said, without there being a yard cleaner outside, I'm only limited to a certain size cutter. So if they have a yard cleaner out installed in the front, you can run a big 4-inch, 5-inch cutter through there and cut the roots out. Pulling back, show you what the rest of this line looks like. Alright, this is where we were earlier at the transition. This is where it comes a 4-inch cast, 6-inch clay, and earlier there was a whole bunch of roots covering this up. Like I said, I ran through here, and as you see, I've pretty much cut all them roots back. Just the one spot out there was a little bit of roots that wasn't able to let me get a hold of them. I believe they're pretty light, so they just stick to the side when my cable gets in there and lets me go by. Here we are in the cast iron. Scaling build up, nothing bad, looks pretty clean. So I ran my cable through there pretty well. Had no problems with it. We got turn there, it's turning, diving down, and turning back over again, making depth of the line outside. Yep, and here we are at the stack. My camera just went out, but here we are at the bottom of the stack. Other than that, everything looks good. Thank you.